That's the honest truth. It costs money, it costs time, it also costs energy. In marketing, the brands that win are the ones that test more. People who win in business don't do more work, they build better systems. Most brands struggle to create 5 ads a week. I created 50 in one day. No camera, no film, and no creators. Just systems. And before you think it's some kind of shortcut, it's not. It's just leverage, because the game has changed completely in 2026. And if you're still creating content the old way, you're already behind, like I always say. Quick disclaimer before we go any further: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It's not business, financial, or marketing advice. I've also teamed up with Max Fusion in this video to demonstrate how tools like this can help streamline content creation and advertising workflows. As always, I'll show you exactly how this works in practice. Now let's break this down. If you're running ads right now, you already know how painful this process is. You need the following: a creator, a script, a shoot, editing, revisions, multiple variations, and every single step costs. That's the honest truth. It costs money, it costs time, it also costs energy. One ad can take days, sometimes weeks. And here's the real issue: marketing today isn't about one perfect ad, it's about volume, because you don't know what's going to work until you test it. So if you're only producing 3 ads a week, 5 ads a week, you're moving too slow, in all honesty. So guess what, as always, which I've been very good at, I start thinking differently. Instead of asking how do I create better ads, I ask how do I create more ads faster? And that's where tools like Max Fusion comes in truly handy, and here's why. Let me show you exactly how this truly works. Step 1, start with a script. First thing, we need a script. This could be a product pitch, a problem solution, a testimonial style. Let's keep it simple. Step 2, now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of hiring a creator, Max Fusion generates an AI actor. You can choose different faces, different styles, different tones, and it actually looks realistic. Step 3, now we take that script and convert it into a full video. No filming, no setup, just input equals output. Step 4, this is where the real advantage is. Instead of making one ad, we create multiple versions, different hooks, angles, delivery styles as well. So now one idea becomes 5 ads when you truly think about it. Step 5, you can also create multi-shot videos. So instead of one static clip, you get scene changes, visual transitions, structured storytelling, which makes the ad feel more dynamic. Step 6, now imagine this: you repeat the process 10 times. That's how I got to 50 ads. Not by working harder, but by building a system that actually works and scales. Now let's talk about what actually matters, because this isn't about AI, it's about leverage once again. In marketing, the brands that win are the ones that test more creatives, more angles, more variations, because you can never truly know what actually is working until you spit a bunch of different variations out, and then you figure out exactly what's working and you double down on what is working. So ad volume equals better data equals better decisions. Better decisions equals better results. You always gotta remember that. Most people lose not because their ads are bad, but because they don't produce enough of it. This is the shift from manual creation to system-driven production, from perfection to iteration, because the goal isn't to make one great ad when you truly think about it. The goal is to find the winning ad, and the only way to do that is to go through volumes of variations. Now, you're probably thinking, who's this useful for? Well, it's useful for anyone running an e-commerce brand, obviously, testing paid ads, building a personal brand, managing multiple campaigns, or just trying to scale efficiently, because at some point you hit a bottleneck, and usually that bottleneck is content. Now listen, if you want to try this for yourself, you can check out Max Fusion using the top link in the description. Start building your own ad creatives and let AI handle the heavy lifting. As we get ready to round up the video, stop thinking like a creator, start thinking like an operator, because the people who win in business don't do more work, they build better systems. As always, I'll see you in the next one. And if you found this video helpful, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video, where we are of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship. Take care now. Bye bye.